Hello everyone, welcome to Solvers classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So this year round the QA section in general or the quantitative section was more difficult as compared to previous years. The questions that were asked this year round were more on the difficult level, that is the each and every question required an in-depth understanding of the subject to basically tackle this question and solve this question. And apart from that, the question were more calculation intensive and also more time consuming as well. Okay, so that in turn is contributed towards making the section on the difficult side. Having said that, what we'll be doing in this video is that we have taken a particular question from the paper itself, and then subsequently we'll try and identify the right kind of approach towards solving this question, so that whenever we come across this questions such as this further down the line, we are easily able to solve them. Okay, so the question that we'll be focusing on in this video is pertaining to logs. So let's take a look at how we can go about solving the same. Okay, find the total number of integral solutions of log x plus log y equal to 30. Okay, so we have x y equal to 30. We are asked to take base 10. Okay, so this can be written as log xy base is 10. Okay, let me write base 10 equal to 30. Okay, so this can be written as xy equal to 10 to the power 30. Why did you say 10 to the power 30? Because let's say xy equal to 10 to the power 30. So if we take log on both sides, log base 10 xy and equal to log base 10 to the power 30. So we'll have 30 log base 10 base 10, that is 30. Okay, I hope this is clear how we came about with the same. So now in this case, so what do you have? Total number of integral solutions, right? So in this case, the total number of integral solution will be nothing but number of factors of 10 to the power 30. That is, number of factors of this number will be our number of integral solution. So why, you might ask? Because here we have x into y. Okay, so x into y is nothing but an expression of, it is nothing but expression of factor pairs of numbers. Okay, that is all. So now 10 to the power 30, we can write this as 2 to the power 30 into 5 to the power 30. That is number of factors written as 31 into 31. Okay, so that comes out to be 961. Okay, so 961 will be our answer. One thing is to be noted that since number of factors and we are talking about integral solution, so solution can be negative as well, but in this case we actually take only positive solutions. Why? Because basically domain of log of x is basically x greater than 0. We cannot have x from negative when we consider log x. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. This is a very interesting question. Okay, as far as the kind of question that is concerned, it's a very interesting question. I suggest you go through the same. So go through it a couple of times and you'll get the idea behind how to go about and solve these questions. Okay, having said that, in case you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to look us up. For that, you can go through the description section of the video, where you will find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email address, and also our numbers on which you can call, text, or WhatsApp us as well. Feel free to connect with us in case you have any doubt with respect to any kind of queries that you might have regarding any subject wise or any topic wise doubt you might have. Feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out with the same as well. So having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing discussion of similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.